Welcome to Healthy Facts 101. Today we're talking about the most important meal, breakfast. Too often we skip it or grab something that doesn't serve us. But not today. I've got 5 delicious, nutritious breakfast ideas to kickstart your morning. If you love healthy tips, hit that subscribe button so you never miss out. Ready? Let's get into it. First up, overnight oats. Prep it the night before and breakfast is ready when you wake up. Just mix rolled oats, your favorite plant-based milk, and a touch of maple syrup in a jar. Let it chill overnight. In the morning, it's creamy, full of fiber, and keeps you satisfied. Add chia seeds, cinnamon, or nutmeg for extra goodness. Top with berries, banana, or walnuts for crunch. Change it up every day, make it your own. It's simple, nourishing, and tastes like love. The best way to start your day. Next, a Greek yogurt parfait. Like dessert for breakfast, but healthy. Layer Greek yogurt, fresh fruit, and granola in a glass. Use plain yogurt for less sugar and more control. Add colorful fruits for vitamins and natural sweetness. Repeat the layers, then finish with a drizzle of honey or sprinkle of cinnamon. Creamy, crunchy, and satisfying. A balanced breakfast that looks as good as it tastes. Let's make avocado toast. A classic, but better. Start with hearty whole grain bread, toasted to perfection. Mash ripe avocado with lemon juice, salt, pepper, and a pinch of red pepper flakes. Spread it thick on your toast. Top with tomatoes, everything bagel seasoning, or nutritional yeast for extra flavor. Avocado gives you healthy fats and lasting energy. Quick, simple, and delicious. The perfect savory start. Time for a veggie omelet, your morning dose of veggies and protein. Sauté chopped spinach, bell peppers, onions, and mushrooms in olive oil. Whisk eggs with a splash of milk, salt, pepper, and turmeric. Pour eggs over veggies, cook gently, and fold. Add cheese if you like, then slide onto your plate. It's colorful, filling, and packed with nutrients. A powerhouse breakfast in minutes. Last up, a smoothie bowl, thick enough to eat with a spoon. Blend frozen bananas and berries with a splash of milk until creamy. Add spinach or protein powder for extra nutrition. Pour into a bowl and get creative with toppings. Fresh fruit, granola, coconut flakes, nuts, or even a few dark chocolate chips. Every bite is full of vitamins, fiber, and flavor. It's like healthy ice cream for breakfast, energizing, fun, and beautiful. The perfect way to treat yourself. And there you have it. 5 easy, nourishing breakfasts to start your day right. Try them out, make them your own, and let me know your favorite in the comments. If you enjoyed this, give it a like and subscribe for more healthy inspiration. Thanks for joining me. Remember to be good to yourself. You deserve it. See you next time.